So we're gonna do the roofing today on the chicken coop. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna get a lot of stuff done. Hopefully I'll even get to start painting and some other things. That being said, I noticed a problem. The material that I'm planning on using is a little flimsy, as you can see, and wants to fall through my supports. So I'm going to add some bracing in the middle to give it a little more stability. I'm going to do that, and then we'll get the roof put on. So I've pre-cut all of my bracing and pre-drilled all my pocket screw holes, and I'm ready to start installing them. They're all kind of laid out where they need to go. So we're gonna get going here. Good to me. Let's check it out. Much better. Ain't going nowhere now. I like that. Awesome. So I got my stuff together. We're gonna start putting this roof on. I've never done this before, so if anybody's got any pointers, that'd be great. But I'm gonna try and figure it out on my own right now. So I'm gonna get started, and you guys can watch along. Well, we have a roof. It's not perfect, but it's on there. Should be pretty watertight. Also learned that my coop is not as square as I thought it was. So moving on, I'm gonna do some painting, and yeah, that's it. Bye.